Well, if you're headed out for lunch on this noon hour, great looking day out there. Sunshine, low humidity, light winds. What more could you ask for, I guess? It is a nice day all around. Sunshine, occasionally some of those high thin clouds moving on through, but they're not blocking out too much of the sunshine. So good looking day across the valley. 70s for highs across most areas today. Maybe a couple degrees cooler tomorrow, but generally no big temperature swings the next few days. The next cold front due in here probably around Thursday night, early Friday morning. That could actually drag down temperatures some on Friday, maybe cause some clouds or a couple sprinkles or a shower, but we're not looking for any big rain as of right now. It looks like just a couple of light rain areas around South Texas in the valley. 71 right now in Weslaco, Harlingen, and in Raymondville. 75 warmer in Rio Grande City. We'll probably kind of hang in the low to mid 70s this afternoon. Some high thin clouds around and not much different than what you see now. Wind flow's kind of turning more toward the north. A weak cold front has moved through or is moving through right now through the valley, and you see the wind's not strong, 10-15 miles per hour, but more of a northerly wind flow will also help kind of keep the humidity down. So, you know, we've had some kind of chilly mornings the last several days. Probably going to be back there again later tonight and tomorrow morning with that dry air in place. Should have no trouble getting down into the 40s again tonight. Now, Future Track does show the winds coming in from the north, but not very strong, but maybe a little breezier at the coast. If you look at the color shadings, you see the colors indicating winds maybe up around 20 miles per hour at times, kind of over the Gulf waters and Bay waters between now and through this afternoon. You see, again, not much wind inland, little breezy near and offshore. So kind of watch at the beach today for a little breeze at times. And then tonight, everything kind of settles down. Winds stay lightly from the north tomorrow, and that again keeps the temperatures and humidity down. So Future Track, though, we look at what we see in terms of sunshine and any chance for rain. And there's not much going on for rain chances. You see blue sky today, some high thin clouds. Tonight looks mainly clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures drop down probably into about the mid 40s or so. So a little cool again tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow we're looking for mostly sunny skies. You may see the high clouds increase more late in the day as some moisture comes in from the west, and even more so on Thursday. In fact, Thursday might be more of a kind of borderline mostly cloudy day, but I think the clouds will be thin enough that there's still a decent amount of sunshine getting through. By late Thursday night and Friday morning, we'll have to watch and see if this cold front, it won't be probably a noticeable, big punch of cold air or anything like that. But as that front comes through, it could thicken the cloud cover. You might get a couple sprinkles or a shower, but you see almost nothing on the screen. And behind it, if the clouds aren't able to break up fast enough, Friday could be maybe the coolest day of the week. We may not get out of the 60s on Friday, but right now just some high thin clouds blowing through. And the first 7-day forecast, check out the highs still generally around 70 degrees or so in the next few days. 72 today, 70 on Wednesday. Could climb up warmer on Thursday ahead of that front. Our best chance of a sprinkle or shower overnight Thursday and maybe before noon on Friday, but even then we're talking tiny rainfall amounts the way it looks, with any better chance for rain probably being offshore off to our east. And then highs could be stuck in the 60s on Friday. We could warm up some by the weekend, but some of the models do hint at another front, maybe cooling things off later Sunday or Monday as well. So we'll track these fronts in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.